Sweetie, I know when it feels to hurt your head. How are you doing? You think you can fly? You're looking so much better. Oh, you're so beautiful. Come on, baby, you can do this. Oh, see, this is why I have to stay. The magpies, they will take out an injured bird. So I just need to stay with her until she's ready to fly. Because it's watching. She's not breathing heavily anymore. She's got her mouth closed. Her eyes are clear. She's reacting to sounds. So I think she's going to be okay. I hope so. It'll break my heart if she's not. Yeah, you heard her, right? They're calling you. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Oh, yay. Thank you for being... Oh, I feel so much better now.